Today is April 18th and I just received a package in the mail. Now, it says on this package, fragile, handle with care, and our U.S. Postal Service people did not pay attention to that. Look at that. So I am going to unbox this and hopefully the contents inside will be better than what the box looks like. Let's see. Now it does look like they have tried to wrap this up nicely. So I hand it to them for that, because they have no control over what the UPS, United Postal Service, what they do, or whoever this was delivered by. But that looks pretty good. These are Herbstone or Autumn Sun Green-Eyed Coneflower. Okay, I will show a picture of what they look like. Got 3 of them. And the packaging looks pretty good. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Oh, and they have it taped. That doesn't look half bad. That does not look half bad. That looks pretty good. I'm very pleased with that. Let's see, what size is that? 4.5 inches. Nice. That's going to be a beauty. I will show you where I'm going to plant that and get that prepared. This is the beginning of the Herbstone Coneflower opening up. Isn't that pretty? And there's many more buds where that came from. This is one of them, but this one is the biggest, the tallest. Has lots of blooms on its way. Oh, that's gonna be pretty when that finally opens up. Here's the other one. It's cracking open. So pretty. They're liking their spot. So this is one, 2. Let's see where the other, but this is number 3 right here, and they're getting ready to open as well. So I'm glad they're all on the same schedule. This is an update on my green-eyed coneflower. Look at it. Oh, I'm loving it. And the bees are too. Wow, look at all the bees on that plant. I found out about this plant by looking at P. Allen Smith. He talked about it, and I cannot find that video to save my life. He has so many videos, but he talked about this coneflower, and I ordered it automatically. I ordered 3. This is the first one. This is the second one. And the third one is right there. But the thing about it is remarkable how this was just a 4-inch plant. And look at it. The leaves alone are impressive. Nice big leaves. And now it's looking like Jack of the Beanstalk. And it's gonna get bigger than this, which I am loving because, as you can see, I'm very close to my neighbors and all the privacy I can get is really nice. And if I'm looking at something that's beautiful, that's going to give me a little privacy, I'm all for it. This one has turned out a little wider, but year after year, I mean, this is the first, it hasn't even been a year. This is the first season of this plant. And oh my goodness, I can't imagine what it's gonna look like 5 years from now. But this one is a smaller version, still tall, has nice leaves. But oh my gosh, yes, this is Herbstone, green-eyed coneflower. Let's go down to the other one. It's kind of nice the way I have it because the roses, they did their thing. Now they're done. Now this Herbstone or green-eyed coneflower is now, it's turned to shine. So yeah, this is the third one and it is tall as well. Hopefully it'll reach as tall as this arbor or trellis. That would be very nice. So yeah, that is the update on this plant.